In this video I will show you how to make YouTube channel. You just need Gmail account. Just follow my easy steps. Now I am on the home page of the YouTube. You just need to click sign in. Just put your Gmail account ID and click on next. Just write your password and click on next. Now we are already signed into the YouTube. So on the right top corner there is icon. You just need to click on that icon. So you just need to click on my channel. So by default the YouTube takes the names from the Gmail account. So my account, there I give my first name Wally, the second name Physics, mean PHY. So if you want to change the names, you can change, and you can also change later. I will show you by clicking create channel here. You agree to YouTube's terms and services. So just click on create channel. So now you just need to click on customize channel. So click on this pencil arrow and edit channel icon. Click on edit. So it will open in a new window. So upload photo from your computer. Select any picture. You can crop it here and click on done. Yeah, it's done. It will take some time. Later it will come. I will show you. You just need to refresh. The next thing is to add your channel art. It's very important. So you can also do it from here, add channel art, or you can also do it from here. Okay, so click on this, add channel art. So you can upload photo from your computer. You can also drag. Just click on this one, select a photo from your computer. So click on this one. So they give me option that my channel art will look like this on desktop and mobile. Just click and select. You see, so I brought my channel art. If you don't know how to make channel art, it's quite terrible and troublesome sometimes to make channel art. So please watch my next video. Now our channel art is already uploaded, and now you need to, because this channel has no video, so now you just need to click on this gear button. When you click on it, so customize the layout of your channel. Just click on it and click save. You see now your channel is like other channels. So this is your home, this is your video playlist, channel about, right? So now your channel is ready. Now you can upload the video. How to upload video? Just click on this button, upload here, and you can also upload from here. Upload a video, you can upload from here. So you can do the basic settings. For example, if you want to bring your Facebook or the Twitter icons and this channel art, so just click on this pencil arrow and click on edit links. Click on customize. Yes, so click on customize. So you can now enter the links. Maximum you can enter 5 links here. Just select your country, and here updated countries, and here you can add the links. For example, you want Facebook here, and for example, like the select your Facebook URL and put it here and click on done. So you will see now my Facebook link is on my channel art. So these are the basic settings you can do, and there are other basic settings, but so far your channel is ready and now you can upload the video. My channel icon uh, already appear, so it is from Google account, so it is now already in on my YouTube channel. So this was how you can make your YouTube channel. Now it is ready to upload the video. You just need to click on this arrow and click on this and upload your video. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learn how to make YouTube channel.